Hey everyone! Good morning. It's time to kickstart your day with some revitalizing yoga stretches. If you've just rolled out of bed, this is perfect for you. We're gonna spend just 5 minutes to awaken our bodies and minds. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's begin in child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Feel that gentle stretch in your back and shoulders. Hold here for a few breaths, letting go of any tension from sleep. Next, we'll move into cat-cow. Come onto all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. That's cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. That's cat. Flow between cat and cow, syncing your breath with each movement. This is awesome for waking up your spine. Now, let's find downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up and back. Press through your hands, relax your head. Feel that stretch along your whole body. You can pedal out your feet here, bending one knee and then the other. It's a great way to get the blood flowing. From here, step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Drop your left knee down and sweep your arms up. Feel that stretch in your hip flexors. Hold for a couple of breaths, then switch legs. This stretch is perfect for opening up the hips, especially after a night's rest. Next, let's come into a gentle twist. Sit cross-legged or on your heels, whatever feels best. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, twist to the right. Look over your right shoulder. Hold for a breath or two, then switch sides. Twists are amazing for releasing tension in your back and shoulders. Finally, let's end with a seated forward fold. Extend your legs out in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale, fold forward. You don't have to touch your toes, just go as far as you can while keeping your back straight. This helps stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Hold for a few breaths, then slowly roll up. And there you have it. Just 5 minutes to wake up your body and mind. Remember to carry this sense of peace and energy with you throughout the day. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you feel fantastic. Namaste.